Round 2 is in the books. Six bags of salt after clearing this entire lot with a 22-inch snow blower. Salt is beginning to work. I think I can get away with going home. Whew. I don't need no stinking Gold's Gym membership. No siree. Yeah. Yeah, it's starting to melt. We're getting there. Walkway's good. Shit's starting to melt. Still snowing though. I don't know how much longer it's supposed to snow. It's coming down good. I may have to come back in 3 hours and do it all again. It's still sloppy. It is melting good though. I just salted it about 10 minutes ago, so it will get better. Ah, man. 6 bags, what is that? 600 pounds of salt. Yes, sir. And I'd say that was probably 4 inches of snow. 3.5 to 4 inches of snow removed. I mean, yeah, about 3 inches, 3.5 here and there. You betcha. Alrighty then. That's enough for this old man. Holy shit.